Dr. Justin Rose and I are so excited to be offering our training for nonprofits and small businesses with an introduction on utilizing the free AI tools that can increase your productivity from a third to 50% or more. AI is the next industrial revolution happening right now before our eyes. Small businesses and nonprofits need to take advantage of this now while that window opens up. Because, the saying is, it's not that AI will take your job, but someone who understands how to utilize AI that will. In a nonprofit and small business, you can do market research, you can use it to accelerate communications and tools, the proper ways to use it, the ethical ways to use it, the ways that will not get you penalized on Google. This also is real important if you're hiring someone that's doing this. As the owner, you want to know if they're doing it properly, ethically, legally. This is why every business owner and nonprofit needs to make sure to get to our training. This is co-developed and trained with myself and Dr. Justin Rose. Make sure to take the time to make our training in person and gain that competitive advantage. Have a great day.